Green people, crab people, blue heavy metal people. Green people, crab people, blue heavy metal people.
At Iron Designer, we strive to work uniformly using standards and policies that maintain consistency across the board for our designs. Therefore, we use at least a minimal level of document control, especially when using AutoCAD, and we implement layer control. In AutoCAD, layers are used to associate colors with pens and the way things will ultimately print out, line thicknesses, line types, etc. So at Iron Designer, we strive to emulate the AutoCAD templates. Working closely with the tools that AutoCAD already provides us, such as list routines, pen numbers, layers, line types, and the importation of images, helps to give Iron Designer consistency and uniformity our customers expect from us. Iron Designer maintains customer security within our document control system at all times. Maintaining control of our USB flash drives, memory cards, and memory sticks, and hard copy documents is at the core of Iron Designer security policies. At Iron Designer, releasing source files is almost never done. We will, however, if it is in the contract, release PDF versions and non-editable data files. At Iron Designer, we strictly control access to our electronic files using password systems and lockout systems. We also physically transfer files off the servers and the networks onto inaccessible media types, and we place those into a vault or a locked system. Our pen control system file can be shared as a text file so that customers can print with the same pen type, line weights, and color schemes as Iron Designer. In order to be consistent with the AutoCAD policies, Iron Designer also implements the hex code system for all symbology in the drawings. Once again, using AutoCAD Autodesk policies, raster images are embedded through the toolbar that AutoCAD provides. In order to maintain simplicity, Iron Designer implements 15 or less pen types, pen weights, line types, and line weights to keep the PCP file as simple as possible. Layer names can be kept generic and uninformative, or can be detailed depending on customer contracts. Layer names are broken down by categorization depending on customers' needs and customers' expectations. Iron Designer uses standard sizes for all of its drawing sheets. This is a standard screenshot of Iron Designer's first 1 through 9 pen numbers and 1 through 9 layer types. Once the PCP file has been imported, the layers can be verified within the AutoCAD pull-down menu. This concludes Iron Designer's video on pen numbering and layering schematology.